Students, in this video we are going to see hydroxy evaluate answers inside the book. First of all, evaluate. For that one, 1 degree alcohol means it contains CH2OH and one alkyl group. 2 degree alcohol means it contains CHOH and two alkyl groups, and 3 degree alcohol means it contains COH and 3 alkyl groups. Now see the evaluate. First A, it has, I indicated that it has CH, OH and 2 alkyl groups, so that it is 2 degree alcohol. B, it has 3 alkyl along with the COH, so 3 degree alcohol. And C means in this one it contains CHOH and 2 alkyl groups, so it is 2 degree alcohol. In D, in this structure that carbon has CHOH along with 2 alkyl groups, one side one line, another side another line indicated that it possesses 2 alkyl groups, so that it is 2 degree alcohol. The next one, the carbon possesses only OH and 3 side it possesses 1 aryl and 2 alkyl groups, so it is a 3 degree alcohol. In A, I indicated the number, how many carbon are there? 6 carbon. 6 carbon means hex and then single bond A, and 4th carbon possesses alcohol, so OL, hexane 4 all, and 2nd carbon we has bromine and 1 methyl, so 2 bromo 2 methyl hexane 4 all. Next one, it contains 5 carbon, that is indicated in numbers. So 5 carbon means pent and single bond ane, and 3rd carbon possesses ethyl, so that 3 ethyl pentane 3 all. In C, there is 4 carbon indicated by 4, 1 2 3 4. In first carbon there is a double bond, 2nd carbon possesses Cl, 3rd carbon possesses OH, so the name of this compound is 4 carbon pute. First carbon possesses ene, so 1 ene. 3rd carbon possesses alcohol, so 3 all, and 2nd carbon possesses chlorine, so 2 chloro. 2 chloro pute 1 ene 3 all. In D, it contains 7 carbons indicated in numbers. In 2nd carbon OH, 3rd carbon contains double bond, and 6th carbon possesses bromine. So the name of this compound, 7 carbon hept, 3rd carbon double bond 3 ene, 2nd carbon alcohol 2 all, 6th carbon bromine, so 6 bromo. Name of this compound, 6 bromo hept 3 ene 2 all. And E, here it contains 5 carbons. In 3rd carbon it contains phenyl as well as alcohol. So name of that compound, 5 carbon means pent, single bond ane, 3rd carbon contains alcohol, so 3 all. The same way 3rd carbon contains phenyl, so 3 phenyl, pentane 3 all. For evaluate question, C5H12O, how many isomer is possible means 8 isomer. First isomer, it contains 5 carbon linearly along with OH, so 5 carbon pent single bond ane, first carbon alcohol, so 1 OL. The second one, 5 carbons are linear along with the OH is it contained in second carbon, so name of that compound is pentane 2 all. Third one, the carbon is linear 1, 5 carbon are linear, 3rd carbon possesses OH, so pentane 3 OL. Fourth one, here the 4 carbons are linear, only 1 carbon is as a branched one, and first carbon possesses OH, so 4 carbon means pute single bond ane, and first carbon alcohol 1 OL, second carbon contains methyl, so 2 methyl butane 1 all. The fifth isomer, here 4 carbons are linear, only 1 carbon and is a branched one. First carbon contains alcohol, 4 carbon means pute single bond ane, first carbon possesses alcohol, so 1 all. and third carbon contains methyl, so 3-methyl butane 1R. In sixth isomer, 4 carbons are linear, only 1 carbon in branched. The second carbon possesses the methyl as well as alcohol, so 4 carbon but and single bond ane. In second carbon alcohol, so 2 OL. In 2-methyl 2 butane 2 ol. Seventh isomer, here 3 carbons are linear and another 2 carbons are in branched. We are going to take as a linear as a root word. 3 carbon means prop. The first carbon possesses alcohol, so 1 ol. Propane 1 ol. In second carbon there is 2 methyl, so 2 2 dimethyl propane 1 ol. In eighth isomer, there is 4 carbon in linear, only 1 carbon is in branched. The second carbon contains alcohol, so butane 2 ol. The third carbon contains methyl, 3-methyl butane 2 ol. In this evaluate first question, lithium aluminum hydride. That lithium aluminum hydride always using for reduction process. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. In 3-pentenyl, in aldehyde only we are going to add 2 hydrogen, the CHO. It concentrates only on CHO, just add hydrogen, we get pent 3 in 1 ol. The next question, in sulfuric acid in the presence of water, you split the water as a H and OH. That H is added with CH2 and OH is added with the carbon, the second carbon, so that we get 2-methyl propane 2 ol. Third question in evaluate page number 110. Here tertiary butyl alcohol, allyl alcohol we have to produce with the help of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent is methyl magnesium bromide. To produce tertiary butyl alcohol we need acetone. We already see this preparation. Please refer your tertiary butyl alcohol preparation. The same preparation is here only we are giving. The second one, allyl alcohol. For allyl alcohol, Grignard reagent, different Grignard reagent we are going to use. With the methyl alone we are going to replace as a vinyl. Vinyl is CH2 double bond CH. So this one is a vinyl magnesium bromide. The second Grignard reagent is a vinyl magnesium bromide, that is added with the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula is HC double bond O and single bond H. You please refer the primary alcohol preparation, then only you can get the allyl alcohol. Acidity of alcohol. According to Brown's theory, the compound which gives the proton as a donor is called as acid. In alcohol, it gives slightly proton, so it is considered as a weakly acidic when it compared with water. But except methanol, methanol means CH3OH, it is somewhat acid than water, but all other alcohols are weaker acid than water. The Ka value, that is equilibrium constant for acid value, is for water is 1.8 into 10 power minus 16. For alcohol, it is come under the range 10 power 18 minus 18 to 10 power minus 16. Now see the reaction C2H5OH. When it reacts with the sodium, it liberates the hydrogen. So whichever give the hydrogen, that is also considered as a acid. But when the ethyl alcohol reacted with the sodium hydroxide, it never gives the hydrogen. This reaction explains the acidic nature of alcohol. I indicated this question as a 2-mark question. Question is explain acidic nature of alcohol. Comparison of acidity of alcohol. The acid nature of alcohol because of the polar nature of OH bond. Suppose the alcohol is attached with the electron withdrawing groups, that is chlorine, fluorine is contained in alcohol, means it withdraw the electron density towards itself, so that the proton is donated very easily, so that they increase the acidity of alcohol groups. If you attach the electron withdrawing groups with alcohol means it increase the acidity of alcohol. Suppose the electron releasing groups means alkyl groups are attached with the alcohol means it increase the electron density on oxygen so that it decrease the acidity. Now see the 1 degree, 2 degree alcohol. 1 degree alcohol means it contains only one alkyl group. 2 degree alcohol means it contains two alkyl groups. See the diagram. 2 methyl is there. In 3 degree alcohol means it contains 3 methyl. So these alkyl groups it release the electron so that the oxygen contains more electron density. It never release the proton. So the acidity character is decreases. Sometimes alcohol can act as a Bronsted bases. Bronsted bases means which accept the proton, that is called as Bronsted bases. Because of presence of unpaired electron in oxygen, it accepts the proton from water. When you compared with the water and ethyl alcohol, which one is now acid? The water is a acid character and ethyl alcohol is a basic character. Acidity of phenol. Phenol is more acidic than aliphatic alcohol. We can explain this by 3 factors. The first factor, phenol reacts with the sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a basic character. So base always react with the acid. So phenol we consider as a acid. The another one, see the reaction, phenol with the water, it attract the proton so that we get the phenoxide ion. In this reaction, the Ka value is 1 into 10 power minus 10. This value indicate that it is more acid than aliphatic alcohol. You refer the Ka value of alcohol in previous slide. Then another one, in phenoxide ion, that is very stable. Because why it is stable means it contains more resonance than phenol. This also explains the acid nature of phenol. The next one, electron withdrawing groups like NO2Cl. Suppose it attached with the phenol means it increase the acid nature of phenol by releasing the hydrogen and withdrawing the electron. It is especially increase the acidity character when the electron withdrawing groups are present in ortho and para position. Sometimes the electron releasing groups of alkyl group is present in the phenol. They decrease the acidity. Whatever line I have underlined here, you should study well. Next, classification of phenol. Monohydric phenol means it contains only one alcohol. See the first one, phenol, it contains only one OH. Common name phenol, IUPAC name also phenol. The second one, orthocresol, IUPAC name is second carbon contain methyl, so 2-methyl phenol. Metacresol means meta position contains methyl, so that is third carbon, 3-methyl phenol. Paracresol, para position contain methyl. If you put the number means we get 4th one as a methyl, so 4-methyl phenol. Dihydric phenol means it contains 2 OH groups. First one, catechol. In this one, IUPAC name is 1,2 dihydroxybenzene. Resorcinol, it contains in meta position OH, so 1,3 dihydroxybenzene. Fourth one, quinol, 1,4 dihydroxybenzene. If you put the number, we get 1,4. Trihydric phenol, it contains 3 OH group with benzene, so it is called as trihydric phenol. Common name byrogylol. In this one, 3 O-hydroxy groups are in consequent carbon, so number 1, 2, 3 trihydroxybenzene. And hydroxyquinol, if you put the number, we get 1, 2, 4 trihydroxybenzene. In fluoroglucinol, if you put the number, we get 1, 3, 5 trihydroxybenzene. Next one, substituted phenol. Along with the phenol, some other groups will be substituted. See the first one, in ortho position, amino is substituted, so it is called as orthoamino phenol. In second one, aldehyde is substituted along with the OH group in ortho position, that is called as orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. We have to preference only for aldehyde. So benzene with the aldehyde, it is called as benzaldehyde, and hydroxy is considered in a ortho position. The next one, we come acid group is in para position. So if you see hydroxy and acid means we give the preference for acid. So it is called as para hydroxybenzoic acid. Then hydroxy is present in the para position. The next one, orcinol. If we put the number, we get 3,5 dihydroxytoluene. Toluene means benzene contained methyl is called as toluene. This table gives the pKa value of alcohol and phenol. More pKa value means it has less acidic value. Now you see only 7, 8, 9. Orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol, metanitrophenol. The nitro is a electron withdrawing groups, so that the pKa value has less value. Less value means more acidic. Then 10, 11, 12. Orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. Cresol means benzene contains methyl as well as OH group. Methyl means electron releasing group. It contains pKa value has somewhat high value. So which one having high value is considered as a less acidic. This is evaluated given in page number 132. First question, which of the following said give the desired product 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. The first is that never give the desired product because bromine directly attached with the benzene. That bond is short bond and strong bond. It never breaks, so that the bromine never goes with the sodium. The second said here the sodium attached with the oxygen, that oxygen only attached with the benzene. We can remove the sodium from this compound. The sodium combined with the bromine of methyl bromide, so that we get the desired product for 1-methoxy 4-nitrobenzene. In second question, metacresol when treated with the acidic solution of potassium dichromate, it undergo oxidation reaction. What is oxidation? Removal of hydrogen and addition of oxygen. In metacresol, the methyl contains hydrogen, 3 hydrogen. We remove the 2 hydrogen and add 2 oxygen. We get 4-hydroxybenzoic acid. If you put the number start with the acid, we get 4th carbon contains hydroxy. So that is called as 4-hydroxybenzoic acid. This page number 132 evaluate. Third question, phenol is reacted with the propane 2-ol in the presence of hydrogen fluoride. The OH present in propane 2-ol get the hydrogen from phenol, so that we have removed the water, and remaining thing CH3 CH is attached in para position. So we get isopropyl phenol. Iso means the second carbon contain phenol, so it is called as isopropyl phenol. This is evaluate page number 134. I indicated the number. First carbon contains ethoxy. CH3 CH2O is called as ethoxy. 4 carbon means bute, single bond A. So it is 1-ethoxybutane. That oxygen one side contains ethyl, another side contains butyl. So it is a mixed ether. The next one, I indicated the number 1. The first carbon contains OCH3, that is called as methoxy. 4th carbon contains chlorine. For 1-methoxy 4-chlorobenzene. It is also a mixed ether. Third one, I put the number. First carbon contain methyl, third carbon contain ethoxy. So 3-ethoxy 1-methyl benzene. It is also a mixed ether. Next one, the oxygen contains the same alkyl groups in both the side. So it is a simple ether. I put the number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means 3 carbon probe, and second carbon contain methyl. 2-methyl propoxy. In another side also 2-methyl propane. It is a simple ether. The next one, oxygen contain one side methyl, another side contain mixed alkene group. It is also mixed ether. I put the number 1 to 3. In third carbon contain chlorine, first carbon contain double bond. So 1 propene, 3 methoxy, 3 chloro, prop 1 ene. Next one, dibenzyl ether. Toluene, if you remove the hydrogen from toluene, we get C6H5CH2, that is called as benzyl. You never confused with phenyl. Phenyl means whenever you remove the hydrogen from benzene, it is called as phenyl. But benzyl, if you remove the hydrogen from toluene, you get benzyl. So C6H5CH2O, CH2, C6H5. The both the sides same one, so it is simple ether. Next one, vinyl allyl ether. Which one is vinyl? Means CH2 double bond CH is a vinyl. Allyl is a CH2 single bond CH double bond CH2 is a allyl group. It is different alkyl group, so it is mixed ether. This is evaluate page number 136. Second question. Arrange the following compound in increasing order of their acid strength. Propane 1-ol 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 3-nitrophenol, 3,5 dinitrophenol, phenol, 4-methylphenol is given. For that, answer is propane 1-ol is least acid than 4-methylphenol, and 4-methylphenol is least acid than phenol. First of all, propane 1-ol is a aliphatic alcohol. Phenol is more acid than aliphatic alcohol, so we have to choose the propane 1-ol is a least acid. The next one, methyl is a electron releasing group. It decreases the acidity character, so that we have to choose the 4-methylphenol after that. So it is a less acidic than phenol. The nitro group is a electron withdrawing group. It enhances the acidic nature of phenol, especially in the position ortho position. Ortho position means second carbon, para position means fourth carbon. So the nitro is more acid than phenol. In 3-nitrophenol it contains only 1 nitro, and 3,5 dinitrophenol it contains 2 nitro, 2,46 contains 3 nitro. So whenever the electron releasing groups are increases, it increases the acidic character. So 3-nitrophenol is least, 3,5 dinitrophenol somewhat greater, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is more acid character.